Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to use Slide Master in PowerPoint. So if you have your PowerPoint work like this, you open, so if this is your work, you have your slides here, then you come to view and select Slide Master. So when you have Slide Master here, you can then you click to edit master title. So if you want to insert any picture in your work so that it applies to the rest, you go and copy. So I'm going to copy any work from here, just any photo, just for study purpose. So we can take this image, we copy, then which one, can put this, you copy. So you have two images. Now you go back to your work, we minimize so it is here. So you come here and you paste your photos. So here you minimize, let's add another photo. We can take this, copy, then we go back to our video, to our working, then we copy, so we now have to we minimize, okay. Then you right click, So when you insert your your photos, you can format them. You can format them.
After calling this person and not getting back to me. We also work. For me, I'm in class and I'm calling you.
Now when you're done, you go back to views and close the slide master.
Okay, one man.
Sons of Pharaoh.
You can.
Oh yeah, the best feeling, yeah.
Going to the office.
Anything can happen. Anything.
Sorry.
Anything can happen.
So you can choose a suitable transition. First close your slide master.
Basic math.
Today, I don't think the man will come.
Tomorrow there is a test.
The teacher is not coming. He lost a brother, so he's not going to be around for mechanics.
You told us there is a test.
No.
Let me celebrate.
You ask Raphael.
Bass and nice stuff.
Then you close the
Even this guy
slide
died, I'm
master.
looking for his family members. So, don't look, you see this young guy.
So you have
Answer Malu.
this.
What is his name?
So you can choose you can now insert your transitions. You can insert a transition
Charge my
of your
phone, man.
choice.
Anytime I might be off.
You can
Should I leave you with the keys? The keys. Yeah. Yeah. You might go today. I might go today or during the weekend. Anytime from now.
you let us know.
Dada?
Hey, Puri, where was your story? They called when I was hearing something interesting.
Recording.
That's why I'm recording.
I was recording. Yeah, I am recording.
Then you select.
No. No. Do you know that those girls who always complain of being raped? Even if a giant man can never open my leg. If you break my leg.
Guys, I'm recording.
And you are resisting.
Your voice will appear in my video and I'm not deleting.
No, for you can't let level. I'm sick of it.
Yeah, then you choose your transitions.
There's that fat guy there. Actually. The man lost the Kazakhs. He broke my leg before.
I was trying to tell you one of those they also enjoy. How can you enjoy and you come out and say that I was raped, yet you also bend your legs and you enjoy.
Right.
You enjoy the penetration.
You
Some
if I don't talk what I wanted to say.
is beefy. Just keeps beeping.
You know it's your paper.
Then you slideshow after finishing selecting suitable animations. Then you select go to slideshow. It's automatic. Then from the beginning.
Who will keep saying the red trap. The moment she's pregnant, she'll come and say the red trap. I was wondering. That's why you do it.
Yeah. So this will be your show presentation. Yes, thank you for watching. Hope you've learned something.
I am doing higher access.